Welcome to Mystic Dragonfly Garden. We are still working in this area that consists of Dragonfly Lane, Rose Ridge, and the island. So there is always a lot of mayhem to clean up at the end of the season, moving into spring. And although we got all the foliage cleaned up, everything from the perennials cut back, the butterfly bushes cut back, and roses trimmed up, there were a few things that I discovered in that, and one is a Kaleidescope Abelia that seems to have succumbed to some vole damage. So we're going to see if we can save that, decide if we can just amend the soil around it and leave it in place, or if we need to dig it up and put it in a pot and let it recover that way. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have the Kaleidescope Abelia, and in trimming it back, the stems are still flexible. They're not breaking off. Well, that one did. But for the most part, they're still green in these stems. And so when I was digging around in the dirt earlier, I realized that it was really loose, which generally around here means the voles have made a snack or a meal out of the roots of these plants. So I'm just going to dig around the root ball here and see if I can, see, this is, I'll have to bring you over here in a minute and show you, but this root ball should be a whole lot bigger than it is. So they have had their way with, good grief, some of the roots. It is pretty, it's still stuck in the ground, so some of the roots go pretty deep. So I think I'm not going to dig this one up. I'm just going to put in a lot of permateal and some Daddy Pete's planting soil and see if I can't save this plant in place. Let me bring you over here so you can see what kind of hole that I have found and what these darn voles have done to this plant. So you can see here this hole that I was able to just dig through with my hand underneath this bush. There is no reason for this. And you can see there's still, some good roots here. And I think it's attached pretty much, well, it's attached deep in here. So I'm going to backfill this with lots of permateal and some Daddy Pete's planting soil, some biotone, and I'm going to cut it back probably even more, and hopefully we will see a recovery because it's still in there. I can't completely pull it out of the ground, so we're going to do that and hope for the best. We can get a mixture of biotone, sprinkle it in here. Biotone is a starter fertilizer for good strong root growth, and we're going to get some permateal, a whole heck of a lot of that in there. And his garden bed has been here for a while, so this soil is pretty good, but we're going to add some fresh planting soil just for good measure. And then we're going to get all of this underneath and in amongst these roots, because there are some holes underneath. All right, I went and got my clippers, so I'm going to take some of this off, and all of these limbs, they're still green as I'm cutting them. So I believe there's hope. Now would be the time if you were going to trim up an Abelia that you would do it anyway. So it is okay that we are trimming this up and giving it a chance to flush back out. And win the fight against the voles. So here is our final product. We have got it trimmed back, and every branch that I've trimmed is still green. So I feel pretty good about this one recovering from the voles. Thank you for watching, and for the love of dirt, get outside, enjoy what nature has to offer. Till next time.